Bayou Bienvenu. That's what a 7 looks like. It's probably about a 6. On a scale of 1 to 7, that's probably about a 6, or a 6 minus. Man, look at the size of that trout. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for. Folks, Willie's got one here. Yep. Willie got another one. Oh, he's killing these catfish. Croak. Alright, that works. Real well, just steady. Steady really well. Come on, get that big catfish in here. Oh, he's taking drag.
Time to drag, bro.
He's taking drag, bro. You better get the net man up there.
I got it. Wait, I need to move my phone. Time to drag, big. That's bad luck.
Taking drag. Let him take drag if he wants to take drag. Well, this guy's off here.
What if we got the same fish?
Don't get nervous.
Oh my gosh,
Enjoy.
it just snapped off. No, it was huge.
Got off?
Wait, did we catch the same?
Hold on.
It came off, but it was big.
All right, hold on. Let him reel in. Keep reeling, Will. Get your fish in, Bo. Take your time, Will. Oh, what is it, Will?
It's a red.
Red? Net man.
Oh my God, we got tangled on this stupid stuff.
Oh, look at the size of this red. Oh,
It's stuck. It's stuck,
oh,
dude.
man.
Can I just cut this off?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Wait, let me cut it with scissors.
Yeah.
She might have just grabbed it.
Hold it right there. See if we can get him in, Will. That's a big red, baby. He's the eater.
I just got
He's the eater.
Dude, I had a big one on there too.
Whoa, get him, Will. Got specs on? It's got specs on, baby. It's got specs on. It's trout bass, he calling himself now. Trout bass now. All right, folks, Big Willie's got one here. Oh, croquette. Hey, folks, Will's got him on. It ain't no catfish. It looks like a red the way he's pulling. I'd say it's a red.
Too small.
Nice trout. Get him in the boat, Will.
I'm in the side.
Big old catfish. Look at him in the side. All right, folks, we got a species change here. Willie's catching everything. He's putting pressure on my man up front. All right. Will's got something, folks. We don't know what it is. I think it's a croca. Well, that's the best bait right there, Will.
Can we keep it?
Yeah, you better keep it. Might need it.
Thanks,
Ooh, that's a nice trout.
No,
What's that? Croquette. Hey, Will got another one, folks. We out here having fun.
Or a catfish. I think it's a catfish.
Meow.
Trout. Let's go.
That might be a trout, Will, the way he's fighting. That might be a trout.
Trout.
Yeah, trouty wouty. What you got? Croquette. Double header, folks. Double header. We're on the fish, man.
Big croakers. Double croaks.
Ooh, here we go. That's a croaker. That's a croaker. Croaker. Not. Fish on, folks. Fish on. La croaker. Here we go, folks. My man got one here. Could be a trout. He was using lures.
What the actual flip? I've
got. All right, folks. Big Will's got one. Putting pressure on us over here. No, a croquette. Nope, croquette. All right, folks, a little action here. La croquette. All right, folks, we got a little action here. Man thinks it's a trout. I don't know. I'm from Missouri. Uh-oh. Look at the size of this trout. Whoa! Biggest catfish of the day. All right, folks, that's my $10 stool I bought on Facebook. It's 17.5 inches high, and it folds up real quick to maybe an 1.5 inches wide. It's working well today. Get up, Will. It's working well today, folks. Might have to get a cushion, but it's doing good. We have to get another one.
Another
species change. Whoop, 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 whoop. Right, folks, we ran out of baits and now we're fishing with cut croakers. There he is. That's the one been bothering you. Oh, we on, folks. We on something here. Oh, it got off. Just let go. It's crab.
Yeah, it was.
Fight him. Don't let him. Don't horse him. Your drain's all right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Get him in here, Will. Fish your person of the day. Come on, Will. And look, your buddy won't even get the net for you. Oh.
I think you got it.
Oh. Ooh, gaff top. Gaff top. 2 gaff tops. And folks, they're fishing with cut up crocus out of shrimp. Oh, cut up crocus, folks. Fishing with cut up. Look at the size of this trout. Holy mackerel. Ouch, gotcha. They hurt.
They got you?
I don't know. They just feel like a little stab, so I don't think so. Probably would have hurt more.
What do you got? Another croaker. Oh, catfish. Woo, woo. Got the perfect angle, folks. We got a line out on the bow over there, and I threw one out the back. Then we pulled tight, and then we can adjust it to get any angle we want. And this is perfect. I mean, it's right. Throw right along here. Water comes up there, drop off. Boom, they're right there. Unfortunately, there's no tide right now. Nothing's moving. The tide when we first got here, there was no wind, and it was going that way, and we got into some good action, and then they just shut down.
Probably just a lot of little catfish. It's not pulling at all. Oh my God! Look how small it is.
Catfish. Dang, we really got something here. Combination cut mullet, cut crocus, and another croaker. Woohoo! Woo-hoo! 11:49, folks, and we back here, back at the dock. Going to see if Mr. Tony's got a knife so they could clean their fish. Jason says he can back it up. I hope so. I mean, I don't have to jump out of here and go do it, and then jump back in. I need a new ice chest, folks. Jason doing a good job, folks, backing the truck up. Good. Doing real good. All right, folks, cleaning the fish here at Tony's. Nice. Had to borrow his knife. All right, folks. The marina is now called Church's Gulf of America Marina. That's where Fisherman Trent is, formerly the Gulf Outlet Marina.